The knob steering cannot be linked with the steering wheel. The driving cannot be linked with the engine. The tailgate of the tipping dump truck lifts and opens automatically. Finally, there is also the opening and closing of the car doors. This is the new tipping dump truck released by LEGO in March 2025. The number of parts is 462 pieces. The functions seem rather ordinary, and there aren't any particularly striking angles to create for its appearance either. Except for the A-pillars and the wheel arches on both sides, the construction method in other areas is basically straight and simple. And this set also doesn't have a suspension or a differential. It is at least a bit larger in volume than the 4201 set, the Deep Sea Research Submarine, but its official price is 30% higher. As sets that both use the Technic part numbered 24116 as the driver's seat, so they are also of the same scale. On the surface, it seems that something is missing above the driver's seat. But this Deep Sea Research Submarine can surprisingly fit perfectly on top of the truck. Moreover, the designer has reserved a relatively large modification space for this truck. There is no problem at least adding several motors to transform it into a dynamic version. The steering linkage adopts a parallelogram linkage mechanism. The manual power is transmitted down from the roof and controlled by a part numbered 33299. The linkage structure for the lifting of the tipping bucket, in addition to using a push rod, also features a simple linkage design. After passing the position of the limit spot, you can see that a yellow part will play a supporting role in the structure. In addition, there is also a red 5-unit beam here at the front. Its function is to restrict the left and right movement of the entire tipping bucket after the bucket is lowered. Well, let's take a brief look at the packaging. That's all for this video. See you guys!